visual field examination. So we will start off with the, just label that this is the right and this is the left. Okay, so we have the eye here, yeah, and then we have this is what we call optic nerve, and then it will goes down and decussate at the chiasm, and the same goes to the left for the left eye. Okay, so the right eye, you will also have is the optic nerve will traverse on the ipsilateral side. Same goes to the left. Okay, so and then here we have the, so after they pass the optic chiasm, it will becomes optic tract, and they will connected to the lateral geniculate nucleus, which is over here. Yeah, and subsequently they will have this optic radiation. We have the temporal and the parietal part, and finally they will go to the occipital lobe on the bilateral side. So let's understand the few parts of the eye. So this is what we call as chiasm, and here we have the optic. And uh, I'm going to draw the imaginary line, and here we have the optic tract. This is our lateral geniculate, and nucleus, and we have this is our optic radiation. This is the occipital. So number one, it's very important that we understand how the eye looks. So for the right side, yeah, this the lateral part will look at the nasal field, and the medial part will look at the temporal field. Yeah. Is crossed, so by understanding this, you will know how the location of the lesion will affect the vision. Okay, so number one, when the optic nerve is diseased, so you can imagine that what will happen is the both the right eye will have a loss of the vision. Yes. Before that, let's me label it. This is right and this is left. So this will be affected. Okay. Number two, yeah, when optic chiasm is affected, just that let's put here. So when optic chiasm is affected, you will see that this side, right, and you will see that this side will be affected. So you see that the temporal part is affected. So this is what we call bitemporal hemianopia. And and we go to the next one is number three, which when optic tract is being affected. Oops. So when optic tract is being affected, so let us see how it goes. Okay, so you will see that yes, this is the temporal left side on the temporal. How about the right side? The right side is the nasal. So the right side is the nasal. So this is anything that comes below here, below this line, this imaginary line on the optic chasm, it will be it will be contralateral. So when the right side is affected, the left side, the left vision will be affected. So this is what we call contralateral homonymous hemianopia. And it same goes to what happened in lateral geniculate nucleus and at the optic radiation. So these three these lesions, if there is a lesions in these three region, it will producing this picture. Okay, and number four, yeah, number four we have two. Number four we have here. Like I say, this is a temporal part. So when for the temporal part, is the vision will be the same. They will both will affect contralateral, and let us divide this into four. Yeah, so the top, the temporal I will remember as top. Top means superior. So this is superior. This is called left superior homonymous quadrantonopia. And we have number five over here. This is what we call, this is the parietal part. And for what different is when we divide 4, the inferior part will be affected. So this is called left inferior contralateral quadrantanopia. And lastly, we will have the affected part, which is the occipital lobe. When this is affected, like I said, anything below the imaginary line, the lesion will be contralateral. But this is called, what will happen is this is called left contralateral hemianopia homonymous with macular sparing, whereby you can see there is a dent over here. Is called macular sparing. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.